Beginner's Guide to Reading the Bible Old and New Testament Explained. Don't know where to start reading the Bible? Here's a simple 3-minute guide that will help you begin the right way. The Bible is divided into 2 parts, the Old Testament and the New Testament. Start small, follow a path, and everything will make sense step by step. Begin with the Old Testament. This is where the story begins. Start with these chapters. 1 Genesis 1, creation of the world. 2 Genesis 2, beginning of humanity. 3 Psalm 23, God as your shepherd. 4 Psalm 1, the path of the righteous. 5 Proverbs 3, trust in God. 6 Isaiah 41, do not fear, God is with you. 7 Jeremiah 29, God's plans for your future. These chapters build your foundation, creation, wisdom, and God's promises. Now move to the New Testament, the life and teachings of Jesus. Start with 8 John 1, who Jesus is. 9 John 3, God's love for the world. Matthew 5, teachings of Jesus. 1 Matthew 6, prayer and faith. 1-2 Philippians 4, peace and strength. 1-3 Romans 8, God's everlasting love. 1-4 Revelation 21, hope for the future. These chapters help you understand Jesus, faith, and God's love. Follow this simple plan. Heavy read 1 chapter daily. Heavy start with Old Testament in the morning. Heavy read New Testament at night. Heavy highlight 1 verse that speaks to you. Heavy reflect and apply it in your life. Don't rush. Understanding is more important than finishing fast. The Bible is your guide, your strength, and your direction. Start today with just 1 chapter and watch your life change step by step. Subscribe for more God whispers, channel messages, and daily Bible guidance.